The unbreakable will. Get up and win. Life is not easy. It will challenge you. You will get knocked down. That is the fundamental nature of existence. You put on a mask for the world, but when you are alone, when no one is looking and you have nothing to prove, fear creeps in. The uncertainty of the future paralyzes you. But I ask you today, do you still have hope? The choice. When everything goes south, at some point, everything will go south. You will be tested and you will feel like this is the end. You have two options. Accept it. Get to work. The solution is simple. You just begin. Do the math, solve one problem, and then solve the next. It doesn't matter how many times you get knocked down, because that is guaranteed to happen. All that matters is that you get back up. You have to get up. The hardship you are experiencing has not come to stay. It has come to pass. Recharging and refocusing. When the pressure is too intense, you need to step back, go within yourself, pray, meditate, recharge your batteries, and clear your head. Then return to the problem with a different vantage point. Do not operate while under the spell of your current circumstances. Do not let your emotions control you. We are emotional beings, but you must begin to discipline your emotions. If you don't contain them, they will use you. Your mind is on autopilot for negativity. It will naturally generate depression, guilt, and self-beatings. You don't have to try to feel bad. It just happens. But if you want to move into your own personal greatness, you must be willing to go against the tide. You must harness your will and declare, in spite of this, I am in control here. I will not let this destroy me. I am coming back. The price of being a diamond. You ask, what do you want? The answer is always, I want to be a diamond. Everyone wants success, but not everyone gets it. The crazy thing is, if you want it, you can get it. No one is holding a gun to your head telling you you can't achieve your dream. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is not genetics or potential. It is a matter of will, a matter of hard work, a matter of sacrifice, a matter of dedication and commitment. It is the person willing to be knocked down, finally tested by misfortune, and still have the perseverance to see it through with a never say die attitude. The victory is already decided. We know the battle ahead is going to be tough. We know we will face obstacles, discomfort, and people who try to break us. We know they are coming for us. Since we know this will happen, let us make up our minds before the battle that we will be victorious. Don't cry to give up. Try to keep going. Don't cry to quit. You are already in pain. You are already hurt. Get a reward from it. You are not going to die because you are feeling a little pain. When that depression hits you out of nowhere, you tell yourself, I won't give up. Your right to win. Who can guarantee that you can't come back? Who can predict that you can't achieve your dream? No one can do that. You don't know the possibilities for your life. If you are willing to go through the necessary battle to get where you want to be, who has the right to stop you? It is your right to listen to your gut. It is your right to be where you want to be and do what you want to do once you have earned the right. Listen, I don't care if you're sick. I don't care what you're going through. If you are not dead, you are still in the game. As long as you wake up, as long as you have breath in your nostrils, you can still win it. Now get your butt up. Now get your butt up. Stop thinking about it and start doing it. This moment right now is your favorite destiny. You are built for this fight.